In this demonstration, we're going to look at using scripts to manage recipients. So the company I work for, we're an education company. I work in IT support, but I also as well, I'm a trainer working for the company. One of the things we do as a company is we do have a lot of cohorts starting, which are groups of users and students coming into our company. One of the things we definitely don't want to do is we definitely don't want to have to create those users one by one. So it makes far more sense if we can actually import a list of users and then create users from that list of users that we've imported. So what we're going to have a look at here is we're going to have a very brief look at using a script to actually manage recipients. So what I've done is I've just launched up one of the PowerShell scripts at this point here. What we're going to do with this PowerShell script, if we just have a look through it, so what we're going to do is we're going to create mailbox database for IT and managers. Then what we're going to do is part of the script, we're then going to restart the information store. So if we just have a look at this, so what we're going to do is we're going to, at this point here, IT, managers, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pipe that, and then what we're going to do is in the braces, we're going to create a new -mailbox database, -server, lon-ex1, and the name will be, and what we're doing at this point here is we're using from the variable that we're putting in place, we're actually going to create these databases. We're then going to mount the databases, we're then going to restart the service. So we'll just highlight everything we need to run here, and we'll just run it. So it's going away, and as you can see, it's creating IT based off that variable. What it's also going to do as well, it's also going to create managers. So it's just going through at this point here. So this will just take a couple of minutes. So there's managers coming in now as well. And as we can see, it's restarting the actual information store as well. So what we've done is we've sort of automated the process of creating those mailbox databases by utilizing a script. Once those databases are up and running, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to want to start creating mailboxes within there. And we're going to do that by using another script. But before we get to running that script, we just want to make sure those databases are definitely up and running and they are working correctly. So all we'll do is we'll just get this up and running. So all we're having a look at here is, as we can see, IT is mounted, managers is also mounted. So now that we have those databases mounted, the next thing to do is we're going to run this script here, which is provisioning mailboxes. Here's the script. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to create departments. So we're going to go IT, managers, and marketing. And then we're going to create this variable here, AD users. So we're going to do a get-user, recipient type details is user. Then we're going to loop through. So for each AD user in AD users, we're going to write the host, and what we're going to do is we're going to process users. We're going to create the user from the list in department, and then we're going to specify using this variable the department itself. Then working through that, so switch on department. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're going to switch through to another department after we've created the mailboxes for the first department. So as we can see here, we've got our managers in there, we've got our IT in there, and that will create our list of users. So what I could do at this point here is I could just highlight everything within that script, or what we can also do as well is we do have the ability to just run a script. So what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to run this script here. So we'll run the script down here now. So what that's going to do is that's going to start creating the user accounts. There we go. It's working through there now, and it's putting the users in the correct location. So as we can see, it's now created that list of users. So what I would definitely recommend that you do is go away, have a look more at PowerShell scripting. So it's extremely useful for bulk tasks, and this was really just an overview of actually running through those scripts. Thank you.